Hey guys, welcome back. So today we actually went grocery shopping. I was gonna vlog it, but my daughter started getting crabby midway through, so I wasn't able to. If you hear my father-in-law and my daughter, sorry, but they're here, so it is what it is. So we got a couple of things we really needed, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. We did go to Target and we went to Aldi. Before we get started, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. So let's get into it. All right. So, hoping you guys can now also hear my husband. He decided to mow the lawn, but I'm forgiving him since we are having a party this weekend. So we kind of needed it done. So yeah, I'm sorry. So let me go ahead and start. So we got bread. My husband's actually on vacation this week, so we got extra bread because we are going to the zoo and we're going to like the field museum and stuff. So we needed to make sure we had enough bread for like breakfast and for like going places. We got the cheapest one for that though, because I am making sandwiches for my best friend as well and for my sister-in-law. And then for breakfast, we got these from Aldi. I've showed you guys these so many times. I absolutely love these. If you have not tried these bagels from Aldi, you need to go right now and try them and let me know how you love them because I love them. And we forgot cream cheese. I gotta add that to his list for tomorrow for things that we did not get. My daughter absolutely loves broccoli, so we got broccoli and then cauliflower. I actually been making Alfredo sauce with the cauliflower. Weirdly enough, she doesn't love cauliflower as much as broccoli. I think they're both amazing. Personally, I love both vegetables. But in the actual pasta, she devours the sauce with cauliflower. So whatever works, right? You gotta make it work. We got some bananas. I picked up tortillas, only 2 packs. I got some onions. I did need to get garlic, but that needs to be added to the list because both stores were actually sold out of garlic. I know, weird. We got 2 things of milk. This is actually the milk that I have to drink, so my daughter actually drinks it as well. We got some apples. These are not apples. We got some pears, but we also did get some apples. Some apples, and we got some cuties. My daughter loves these, and so does my husband. If you guys been watching my videos, you guys know my daughter loves cheese, and so does my husband. So we got this guy. She loves mayo cheddar. She loves her cheese sticks. This is the first time we actually get this one, but we know she loves this cheese, Calabi Jack cheese. So we decided to get the sticks. And then we also got her favorite thing ever, which is string cheese. At Aldi, I got the 20 hash browns. These are amazing for breakfast. My daughter loves potatoes. I got two packs of sandwich yellow American cheese. I got some mozzarella. Usually I prefer the Mexican mix, but I'm going to be using it for pizza, so I just got the regular mozzarella. I got some spray. I didn't really love the one that I picked at the Dollar Tree, unfortunately, so I had to get this one at Aldi. I got some Aldi brand cinnamon rolls. I hope it's kind of the same as the regular one, but I got this to make my apple cinnamon roll pie thing. If you guys have been here for a while, I do have a reel on that. I got some celery. My daughter actually likes eating the celery by itself. I got 2 things of links. There we go. I got 2 of these again for breakfast. I got some bell peppers and mixed this again with with the Alfredo sauce, and I also mix it with the spaghetti sauce to sneak in some veggies again for my daughter for the ones she doesn't like. I wouldn't be Puerto Rican if I didn't always have cilantro in mi casa. So cilantro. I got some turkey breast. I got some chicken breast. And then I also got some ham. So I think it's just regular ham. Oh, honey smoked ham. That is actually it for food. Oh, I am such a liar. My husband had to pick up his favorite cereal. This is his favorite cereal. He absolutely loves that cereal. And then every time we go to Target, I always look at the kids section and swimming section because I love shopping. Obviously, they're clearance. So my daughter actually had these in the size 5 and a size 6 or 7. So I picked up a size 8 for probably next year. We put them next to her shoes and they look ginormous. So they were 50% off. The water shoes were finally 75% off. So I don't know what size she's going to be. So I ended up getting medium 7, 8, which are these. This year she wears small. So I got medium for next year. They do look pretty big. But okay, honestly, I wanted to get the large because it's 9, 10, which is this one. My husband said this is way too big, which is the reason why I got the medium size ones. So hopefully one of those two fit her again. I do love those because she can wear them like when we go to like an amusement park. If she gets wet, if it rains, I don't have to worry about changing her. It's more like comfort. Also, these they can get wet and everything like that, so it just makes it more comfortable for her. Since I used to be the kid that hated when their shoes were wet and their socks were wet, I would be so uncomfortable the whole day if you left me like that. So I mindfully am thinking, hopefully she's not like that, but so, yeah. And then I saw a boy's size, so I picked one up for my best friend's son, Jax, in the bigger size that I got from my daughter. He's a boy, so I'm assuming that he's gonna fit into these. But yeah, oh, my husband got these at Aldi, which is basically matching ones of my daughter. Yeah, hopefully they fit them though. I think they were really, really cheap too. And then I ended up getting these at Target. I forgot to show you guys. I don't know why, but yeah, I got these at Target. Halloween stuff, you guys know. That is totally my vibe. But yeah, that is literally it for this haul. I know it's all over the place. I really hope you guys couldn't hear my in-law over there or my husband mowing the lawn, but I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. It means everything to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.